Hey, cleaning the leather in the interior of your car is really not that difficult of a job, provided you've got the right products and techniques that you're combining with it. When you look inside of most cars these days, there's a lot of leather and a lot of touch places, a lot of opportunities for them to get dirty. First of all, you take a car like this, C7 Z06 black interior. How do you know if it needs a deep cleaning? Well, the easiest way to tell is to look at all the touch points. They will start to get shiny. Leather in its natural form here is a matte finish. So, you look at this piece up here, it's got some glossiness to it. The seat bases have some glossiness to it. The bolster over here, the steering wheel, the shifter knob, those are the areas you want to look at. If you've got a black interior, you start seeing shininess. That's dirt, oil, sweat, things like that have gotten into the surface that you need to get cleaned out. Now, obviously, if you've got a lighter color interior, it's going to be easy to tell where it needs deep cleaning. So we've established that we've got opportunity to clean things up in here. What do we want to use? Well, today we're looking at a couple of products from POLISHANGEL out of Germany. We have got the Charisma, which is their conditioner, and we've got Bellaclean, which is their cleaner. Now, with these, they're designed to be used as a tandem or a group to get the best results out of it, but you can use the Bellaclean alone if you like to, because this is kind of your maintenance product. Something you're going to go to from time to time, wipe down your leather, get things cleaned up. And where the Charisma comes into play is if you want deeper conditioning. So Charisma, you're probably using once every 6 months. Whereas Bellaclean, you can use it as often as you like or as often as you deem necessary. So it just depends on what you want to accomplish with your car. You got a brand new car, you're just trying to keep after it, you can get by with just using the Bellaclean by itself. If you've got something that's a little bit older, you probably want to get both of them, because whether it's an older leather, newer leather, these are going to work great on all of them. But you have a better chance of needing deep cleaning on something that's used or something that's a little bit older, and that's where your Charisma will come into play. Here's a thing about it, kind of like with the ESOTERIC system. If you've watched our video on it, which is a very long video, it's about 24 minutes long, it goes into a lot of detail, is you're actually using the conditioner first and the cleaner second. You're doing the exact same thing with the POLISHANGEL here, but here's the big difference. A lot of people don't want to invest 24 to 48 hours into a super deep cleaning like ESOTERIC requires. This is a much faster process. With the Charisma, you're applying it to the surface, waiting 15-20 minutes, and then coming back, cleaning it off with the Bellaclean. So a lot simpler, a lot quicker process than going the full-on ESOTERIC route. And unless you're dealing with a real old car with leather that's kind of gotten hard, you probably don't need to go that route of the ESOTERIC. This would work just fine. Now, if we're talking about using the Bellaclean by itself, it's a real simple process. I look at the steering wheel here, I could tell that it's a little bit shiny, it's in need of it. I'm just going to put some on a foam or a microfiber applicator. I'm going to work it into the surface really well. And then after I've done that, you can quickly come back with a clean microfiber towel and clean everything off. It's not going to leave a shiny look to it. It's not going to have a greasy feel to it. It's got a very nice scent, and it kind of acts as an all-in-one cleaner, light conditioner to it. Now, let's say on this piece right here, it's shiny in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Charisma, and similar, I'm going to put it into an applicator, and I'm going to liberally work it into the surface. Make sure you get all of the areas on it. Once you've done that, you're going to let it set 15 or 20 minutes before you come back. If you've got some seats or areas that have a lot of buildup in it, you might notice like almost a white, milky kind of residue, and that's everything being pushed up to the surface. That's where you come back your secondary process with the Bellaclean, and that cleans everything off of it. So to recap, Charisma, it's your deeper conditioner. You're going to use it about every 6 months. When you do it, let it sit on the surface for 15 minutes, come back with your Bellaclean to wipe everything off. Then, as necessary, whether it's once a month, every time you wash the car, depends on how particular you are about your interior, you can come back, maintain it with the Bellaclean, and then once again 6 months down the road you go back to your Charisma. So hopefully that gives you a better understanding of the Polish Angel two-part system of leather care, and you can really use it on anything. It can go over stitching, it can go on perforated seats. We get that question a lot. It's not going to harm anything. You don't want to be just pouring it onto the seat, but the layer that you put on there is not going to have any effect on that. Any other questions, let us know. We'll be glad to walk you through the process. A little bit goes a long way, and it works extremely well.